Sometimes the heart needs more time to accept what the mind already knows. Hi all, welcome to the Great Incessant Abundance. The most important part of our life is to heal ourselves from the past emotional pain. Even though we know the memories are sweet, not all the memories are sweet for us. Today I'm going to share some of the steps to get rid of the past pain, or we can say to heal the emotional hurt. Most of the time we live in the past pain, remembering all the moments where we were hurted. Even though we are not comfortable in recalling the past painful memories or the incidents, but our mind lives comfortably in it. We all become the victims of our thought. Past is always past. It cannot be retrieved. Therefore, we should learn to heal our emotional hurt. Here are the few steps where we can learn to heal ourselves. The first one is to learn to forgive ourselves. It is the foremost step where we should first forgive ourselves from that incident. First, stop asking the question, why did I do this? Why didn't I do that? These questions makes us to feel guilt. Feeling guilty about an incident will drag us into the pain. Therefore, instead of feeling guilty, we should learn and experience a lesson from that particular incident. So this is how we forgive ourselves. The second step is to forgive others. If we have really learned something from that experience, it is easy to forgive others. Repeating the statements like, you shouldn't have done this to me, or asking a questions like, why did you do this to me, or how come you can do this to me, is highly ridiculous, as it makes us to live in the past. Because these questions are not real in the sense, it is not to the real person. It is only the thoughts which is asking the question to ourselves. So once again we become the victims. Hence it becomes important to forgive others for us to see and feel the real beauty of our life. Now the third step is to find a new hobby. We know a busy man has no worries. Finding a new hobby and getting engaged in it will make us busy and we'll find no time to worry. The fourth step is to maintain a gratitude journal. Practicing the gratitude is the vital part of our life. As we search more things for us to be grateful, the universe will respond for it. We will have many things where we can be grateful. When we are in the search of the things where we want to be grateful, we'll never find the past pain. Those incidents will never rise up. Finally, try to find some reason to smile and laugh in the daily routine. This will help to raise the positive vibration for sure. I hope this video is useful for everyone, and I wish everyone to stay positive.